Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Martinez. Today we're going to start a new project and we're going to be making mandalas. All you need to get started is a piece of white paper and Sharpie markers. You could also use colored pencils or regular pencils to do this project. So I'm going to start with just my black marker, and that's how I'm going to start the base of my mandala. And a mandala is a circular design. So I'm going to start about the middle of my paper. I'm not going to worry about measuring it. I'm going to make just a little kind of curly Q at the center of my mandala. You can absolutely start with a circle or a circle of dots. And now every design I'm going to make is going to be a circle around the center of my design. Right now I'm just adding a circle of dots. So I'm adding a radial design. A radial design goes around in a circle. When my designs are small like this, so I'm closer to the center of my mandala, I really don't have to turn my paper too much, but as I get out to the larger parts, I'm going to have to start turning my paper as I make my design. I'm not measuring my design. I'm doing my design by eye, so I'm just looking and drawing to make my radial design. I don't need this to be perfect, but I do want it to show that radial pattern in my mandala. So I'm going to keep adding patterns slowly and building up to create a larger circle, a larger mandala with lots of details in it. So this is really a slow, nice and calm process. You can turn on some music and relax while you draw this. And now you can see I'm adding lots and lots of details. So for the rest of the video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my details and I'm going to start adding color. Again, I'm using Sharpie marker, but you can use colored pencils. You can use any kind of marker. And if you just have a pencil, you can absolutely just use a pencil. I think when this design winds up with just the black and white, it looks pretty cool on its own before I add color. So check it out. Watch the result of our mandala. Have fun making it.